What's going on, Ghost Squad? Trey here with Ghost Tactical for the March 2019 edition of Drill of the Month. This month we're calling it a Perfect 10. So what we've done the last few months between myself and Michael Woodland over at M-W Tactical is we try to bring you drills and work on specific fundamentals that will help you be more proficient with your firearms. So what we decided to do this month is take the last few months and combine all of those skills into one. So what we're going to do is we have a 4-inch circle here, and this target will be in the description below for download, or you go to the website and download it from there as well. But what's going to happen is we're going to have a 4-inch circle, and we're going to shoot from 21 feet, which is 7 yards, 21 feet. And all we're going to do is we're going to take 10 shots, and that's it. 10 shots as quickly as we can while staying proficient and safe with our fundamentals. So we're going to work on positioning, getting your good stance, a good grip, a good breathing, and obviously working on your front side alignment and reset should you want to work on the reset. The reset will help you get quicker, more accurate shots. So we're going to combine all of those skills into one. So once again, we're going to get 10 shots from 21 feet as quickly as we can. Okay, so now that we've shot this drill, let's send it over to our buddy Michael Woodland with M-W Tactical to do some instructional side of this.
So this month's drill is shooting into a 4-inch circle as fast as you can at 21 feet. Now, if you recall, everything we spoke on, speed is just not as fast as you can pull the trigger, but more so how fast you can reapply everything to see the front sight on target to pull the trigger. Kind of catchy, but if you think about it, you'll get it. The concept of this drill will have you reinforcing body position, aiming, incorporated with sight picture and sight alignment, breathing, and trigger control. The key to have consistent shots while doing this drill is, as we stated, how fast can you re-engage with sight alignment on the sight picture to effectively put rounds where you want. Here's a twist for you. You are standing at the said distance and aiming at the 4-inch circle. Where are you aiming to have your shot placement center mass? When you send in your videos, also explain what you are doing, and if you mess up, please explain what you are doing incorrectly as well. It's all about getting better, right?
Hey, thanks, Michael. I appreciate you very much. And what he's talking about is really focusing on your fundamentals and really trying to get as many shots in the side of this 4-inch circle as you can from 21 feet. Now, we had a pretty good grouping here. I had a couple maybe that got a little bit high, but for the most part, I'll take that grouping. All 10 shots were definitely inside this 4-inch circle. So I'm really pleased with this grouping, and I feel like my fundamentals were pretty strong throughout that shoot. So guys, basically what it is we're going to really focus on the last few months' fundamentals, putting them all together into one drill and try to get as many inside the 4-inch circle out of 10 shots as quickly as you can. Once again, this is working on your stance, your grip, your front sight awareness, your breathing, and obviously shooting from the reset as well. So be part of this and be available to get some eye protection from Venture Gear Tactical. All you had to do is to like and subscribe and all that stuff, but really we want you to shoot this video and video the response. Put it on Instagram or Facebook or GunStreamer or Full30 or YouTube, wherever that you're watching this video from. Put a link to that video in the comments below. If you don't want the video to be public, go ahead and email that link to me at drillofthemonth@ghosttactical.us and you will be entered. Once again, we're not grading this. We're not saying who's the best shot. Whoever submits their video response, we put in a pool and we will randomly select who the winner is. So it is a participation because that's the whole key. Getting out and shooting and being more proficient with your firearm. So please guys, go check out Venture Gear Tactical. We appreciate them sponsoring the Drill of the Month. Obviously our eyes and ears are Venture Gear Tactical, so we really appreciate them. You're going to get some really cool eyewear if you win this. Get out there, be more proficient. Matter of fact, go ahead and bring someone else with you, and maybe they can shoot the Drill of the Month and introduce them to firearms as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next month. Semper Fi.